everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes. I'm back, and today I'll be showing you the Riverside Condo. It has 2 bathrooms, 1 bedroom. The total space is 125 square meters. Come on in. Once you walk in, you'll see this huge fridge, and right here is the kitchen. It's marble, of course. Really beautiful. You have everything that you need right here. You can sit and have breakfast or a cup of coffee and then enjoy the relaxing view over there. And here is the dining table, which comes with 4 chairs. Right here, like I said, you can see the view. Walked outside to the balcony. And please watch until the end of the video because I have a big surprise for you. Here is the living room. Comes with all this beautiful furniture, TV, and then this couch. And here is another living room, really nice. Same style couch. You can see Chiang Mai view over there. Right here is a big TV. So, what do you guys think about this condo? Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about it. Now, let's check out the bedroom. Once you walk in the bedroom, you have this big, gorgeous bed. Beautiful wood, beautiful art. And right here is the bathroom. Marble. I love marble. Big mirror, toilet, and big shower space. And this is another bathroom which can be used as guest bathroom or laundry room as well. And this is the balcony outside the room. As you can see, you have this big couch, and then you have this table and 2 chairs when you want to wake up in the morning to this view. Not only you can enjoy the view, you can also make your own barbecue with friends and family. And this is the swimming pool. As you can see, so beautiful here. You can come and relax and get some suntan. And we're done for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to get more information or if you're interested in this condo, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And check out our Facebook. Bye bye!